Hi and welcome back to my channel Digital Toolcase. In this video I want to talk about Systeme.io versus Clickfunnels 2.0. This will not be an easy video, I have to say the truth, because there are many things to cover in this video. So be patient, stay with me, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and let's go. As you may know, Clickfunnels 2.0 is now active. It's still quite in a beta phase because I found some little bugs here and there. But anyway, both these tools are not only for building funnels, but they are both made for create an entire business online. And maybe you are asking yourself if you need a funnel builder. Well, my simple answer is yes, in 95% of cases. If you have a business online, if you want to sell something online, if you want to build a mailing list online, or if you have an offline business where you sell something, sell services, sell anything, you need a funnel. A funnel is different from a website. You obviously need both, but a funnel is specifically made for acquiring new customers. And that's the point of every business. So I think one of the only cases where you don't need something like this is if you are just a simple blogger and you want to rely only on ads, for example, for your income. So you place maybe esoic ads on your blog. You don't need any mailing list. You don't need to sell something. In the case, it's one of the only cases where you don't need something like this. In all the other cases, if you want to build a real business online, you need a funnel. Now, you can build your funnel in many ways, even without some tools like this. You can even build simple funnels with WordPress. It's obviously more difficult because these tools are made exactly for that. As I said, it's not an easy video because I will analyze many things in Systeme.io versus Clickfunnels 2.0. For example, I will start with price because price is really the elephant in the room here. It's the biggest difference between the two. Then I will analyze the features, the ease of use, funnel builder, page editor, webinars, payment processor, email marketing, products, courses, membership community, and affiliate system. Very quickly, because I don't want this video to be too long. Anyway, let's start from prices. Because, as I said, here is the biggest difference between these two tools. As you can see, these are the official prices for Clickfunnels 2.0. You can start with this basic plan where you can generate one website, 20 funnels, one admin, one domain, one payment gateway, so you can only have or Stripe or PayPal, for example, if you want to sell something. You can build 3 courses with 1,000 students, 10,000 contacts, and you have unlimited automations. These are mailing automations, pages, products, email sequences, and you have a basic analytics. The price is $147 monthly, or if you pay yearly, you save something and you pay $1,524 yearly. Then you have other 2 plans. This is the Pro plan where you have 100 funnels, 5 admins, 3 domains, 3 payment gateways, 15 courses, 10,000 students, 25,000 contacts, and then all these unlimited things. You can make your affiliate program. You can remove ClickFunnels branding. You have API access. You can share funnels. You also have the ClickFunnels 1.0 maintenance mode, and open this liquid theme editor. And here you will pay $197 monthly or annually $1,884. Then you have this funnel hacker plan. This was the plan in promotion with the launch of Clickfunnels 2.0. This is quite costly. You obviously have unlimited funnels, 15 admins, 9 domains, 9 payment gateways, 200 courses, 20,000 students, and so on. You can see here all you get with this. This was in promotion for $1,997 until some days ago. Now this is the price. If you pay monthly, $297. If you pay annually, $2,496. And these are the pricing plans for Clickfunnels. If you now watch the prices for Systeme.io, as you can see, it's another planet, obviously, because you can start for free, and this is really, really important, and for free, especially if you are a beginner, you have many things, so you can try the platform, you can start your business without spending any money, you can acquire up to 2,000 contacts for free, you have unlimited email sent, you have 3 sales funnels with 15 steps in total, so you can use maybe 5 steps for every funnel. You can generate 1 blog, you have unlimited blog post, 1 course, unlimited students, and this is even with the free plan you have unlimited students, where in Clickfunnels you have 1,000 students by paying $147 monthly. You can build one community with unlimited community members. You can upload any file you want. You have unlimited storage space. You can only generate 1 automation rule, 1 workflow, 1 tag, 1 email campaign, 1 click upsell, 1 order bump, 1 A/B test, 1 coupon code, and then you have deadline funnels, Stripe integration, PayPal integration, Razorpay integration, Flutterwave integration, and again, this is with the free plan, so you can start for free, and you can find below my video both the links, one for Systeme.io and one for Clickfunnels. Now, about Clickfunnels, I think you can still participate to the 5 days challenge. It's not live, obviously, but it's a way you can try if you want Clickfunnels for free. Anyway, I will leave you the link here below my video so you can try both these platforms, and I highly suggest you to do it, because only when you try them you can decide by yourself based on the use you need to have with these platforms. Anyway, here you have 4 different plans. The first is free, and then you pay only $27 monthly, 5,000 contacts, 10 funnels, and so on. You can see in this page how many things you get for only $27 monthly. Then you have the webinar plan with webinar funnels included, and I didn't see webinars here in Clickfunnels, but I suppose they will be implemented. They were in the previous version. And then you have this unlimited plan for $97 monthly with all unlimited. All unlimited. You don't have any limit for number of courses, number of students, number of contacts, anything. You have all unlimited, and this is best part. This is if you pay monthly. If you pay annually, you will save 30% on all this plan. So this unlimited plan, $828 with all unlimited, costs way less than this basic plan on Clickfunnels. Now, obviously, price is not the only thing you need to watch, but the first conclusion I can give you in this comparison is that if you are especially if you are a beginner, or if you don't have complicated needs, Systeme.io, in my opinion, is the way to go, or at least is the way to start. To start to use this platform, see if you like it, see if it does all you need. Maybe you need some specific things that ClickFunnels have, maybe Systeme.io doesn't have, but in most cases, I know that all the greatest marketers in the world are using ClickFunnels, and there are reasons for this. Maybe we will see later, but if you are just starting out, I highly suggest you to start with Systeme.io. Again, you find both the links here below in my video. They are both affiliate links, so thank you if you will use them. Again, price is not the only thing you need to watch. Let's watch now all the features you have inside the platforms, because for example, Clickfunnels 2.0 is launched, but it's not finished, because as you can see, these are all the things you will find inside the Clickfunnels 2.0. You will also have, for example, e-commerce store. It's still not active in the platform. Membership sites is still not active, at least I can't find it. So CRM, in this example, I don't know if it's finished inside the platform. So there are still some things that will come in Clickfunnels 2.0, but they are not quite finished. In Systeme.io, you have email, marketing, sales funnels, every kind of funnel, to be honest. You have blogs, you have courses, you have communities, members, so memberships, you have upload space, you have all these things are related to email campaigns, you have upsell, A/B test, you have coupon codes, you have integrations with payment processor, you have domains, and here you can have unlimited domains, you have evergreen webinars, and so on. Now, even here in ClickFunnels, you have many of these things, so funnels, websites, online courses, you have landing pages, membership sites, email marketing, A/B testing, blog, and so on. So, talking about futures, I have to give my point as of today to Systeme.io, because you can activate your plan and you already have all these things. While in ClickFunnels, something, as I said, it's not finished, so you will not have some of these features today. Surely you will have them in next month, I think. Here is all active. You can use all what you want. You also have, for example, you have coupon codes. I can't find anything about coupon codes here in ClickFunnels. Maybe there is a way to implement them, but you still have limits here, because even with the highest plan, you can only connect 9 domains, while here they are unlimited. So even based on the features you can have inside, I will give 1 point to Systeme.io. Now let's talk ease of use, because this is a really important thing, especially if you are a beginner. I will say both the platform are quite easy to use. Now this is the new Clickfunnels 2.0 platform. As you can see here, you have your main menu, so site and funnels. Here you have all your funnels part with blog. In this case, blog, it's under the sites and funnel section. You have your customer center, your funnels, your pages, your URL redirects, courses, domains, URLs. Anyway, it's quite easy to use, quite intuitive. I see nothing wrong with the interface. Here you have your analytics, your marketing, where you manage your email marketing and so on. This is the interface in Systeme.io. Again, super easy to use. You have your main dashboard, your courses marketplace, you have your contacts and tags here, your funnels, your emails with newsletter, campaign statistic, you have blogs, you have automations, you have products, coupons, orders, transactions, subscriptions, affiliate invoices, courses, bundles, students, community, and my affiliate program. Again, I think both are really easy to use. Even if you see it for the first time, here in Clickfunnels 2.0 you have this checklist of things to do, you have videos, and so on. So I give my point equally to both platforms for the easy to use part. Now let's talk about the funnel builder. In Systeme.io you need to click here on funnels, and as you can see you can create your funnels. Very easy, very intuitive. Create. Here you can decide what kind of funnel you want to create. So build an audience. This is made when you want to build your mailing list, giving away maybe a lead magnet. This is if you want to sell something. This is if you want to build from scratch any kind of funnel. And this is if you want to run an evergreen webinar. Let's try to use this one. Let's call it test. Okay. You can choose your currency, euro in this case. And by clicking create, I reach this part where you can see your pages in your funnel. You can add some steps if you need them, just by choosing the kind of page you need to add in your funnel. You can choose between all these templates. These are already made templates you can choose from, and as you can see they are quite a lot, and I know other ones will be added very soon, and you will be able to access them very quickly when you subscribe to Systeme.io. Here you have your automation rules based on these funnel pages. You can generate your A/B test. Here you have your statistics, your sales based on this specific funnel, your deadline settings, and your leads. Very easy to build a funnel here. You obviously need to select a template for the squeeze page in this case, then one for the thank you page. You can edit them and so on. So if I, for example, choose this one by clicking select, I can choose my URL path, I can edit the page, I can preview the page, and so on. The same thing for the thank you page. I have many already made templates, but I can obviously create from scratch. Now in Clickfunnels you need to click here on site and funnels, and you need to click here on funnels. As you can see, I have some test funnels here. You need to use this create funnel button or this recipes button. If you click on recipes, you have some funnel schemes already made. They are empty anyway, so they are just to choose the kind of funnel you want to create. Quite the same thing we saw here when I choose the build an audience one. Here you have more, you have many more, but I can see they are quite similar. I don't see anything specific, and I don't know if it's not finished, this part. For example, I can't see a webinar funnel here. I'm really surprised about that, because in the previous version of Clickfunnels you had webinar funnels. I can't see them here, so I suppose they still have to add the webinar funnels here. Anyway, you have the video sales letter funnel, the summit funnel, the product launch funnel, you have the lead magnet funnel. So in this case, let's choose this one, for example. And as you can see, you have an opt-in page and a thank you page, the same here, a squeeze page and a thank you page. The difference, here I can give a name, let's call it test lead funnel, create funnel, and as you can see now I can build my pages. In this case, the interface is different. As you can see here, you have your pages here, very intuitive to choose and so on. Here you can use this kind of workflow. It's the same workflow you use in the email marketing part. You can add pages by clicking here on the plus. As you can see, you can add the split path and the pages you want. Now, if I want to choose what opt-in to use, I need to click here on opt-in. I have a very few templates. In this case, again, it's in the early stage, this Clickfunnels 2.0. I was expecting something more, to be honest, because they are talking about it from more than 1 year. I was expecting something better in this phase. Anyway, you can choose, for example, one template. You can decide all the parameters for this page. Let's call it squeeze, to be very quickly, and then create a page, and then you can edit your pages, you can preview and so on. The same thing applies for the thank you page. They both do the same thing, but as of today, in the Systeme.io one, you have many more templates to choose from, and I think it's a little more intuitive, this interface, especially for a beginner, this interface, than this one, where you have really a few templates. As you can see in the thank you page, I don't have anything. This surprised me because, again, this is Clickfunnels 2.0. So I'm sorry because I know Clickfunnels 2.0 is a quality platform, is the most famous one, but I think as of today I have to give my point to Systeme.io. Again, it's more intuitive, you have all ready, you have many templates. I think it's easier to build a funnel here today in Systeme.io than in Clickfunnels 2.0. I hope they will make it better, but my point goes to Systeme.io. Now let's talk about the page editor, because here we have some differences. Let's take this squeeze page for example, edit page, I'm inside Systeme.io. Again, in both tools you can do all what you really need for a page, for building a page. In this case, let me open even this one. Let's choose this one, for example. Again, in both tools, you can do quite all what you need to build a good landing page, a good funnel page. In this case, I have to give my point, and I say it right now, to Clickfunnels, because in the builder part, it has many more options. If I click here on the headline, for example, by clicking on settings, I have many features here. I have dynamically populated fields, I have render conditions, so I have many tools to build really good pages, while the builder inside Systeme.io is quite simple. As you can see, you have less tools here to insert in your page. If I want to add, for example, an element, here I have many more things to add. This doesn't mean that you will build better pages if you don't know what you are doing. Let me be clear here. You have all what you need to build something that makes money even here. But in the Clickfunnels one, you have some more options. If I go here to this header, for example, as you can see, I have these options. These are the basic ones. Here you have many more options to play with. So for this builder part, I give my point to Clickfunnels because you can really build complex pages a little bit easier than in Systeme.io, where you can build what you want. Even here you have slightly less options, but if you know something about CSS and PHP and HTML, by using this raw HTML, you can even here insert any kind of thing you want. Again, complex pages doesn't mean you sell more or you gain more customers. Sometimes easy is better. Keys, this is really important. And as you can see, this is not a bad landing page at all. But here you have more options. So for this specific part, my point goes to Clickfunnels 2.0. Now let's talk about webinar funnels. As I said before, I can't find here in Clickfunnels 2.0 a webinar funnel template. I can't find webinars in any part of this platform. This surprises me because in the previous version they had a webinar funnel template, but maybe it's my fault, maybe it's me, maybe you can anyway build it using a generic funnel, inserting a video and generate the webinar funnel in that way. While in Systeme.io you have your specific evergreen webinar funnel where you can create it. You have specific pages for webinar registration. Now, I can't show you because I don't have a webinar plan active, but I can show you this. You can, when you add maybe some steps here, you can choose between a webinar registration page, webinar thank you page, webinar broadcast page. So you have pages made specifically for webinars. As of today, I can't find them in Clickfunnels. So even in this case, my point today needs to go to Systeme.io if you want to generate and build simple webinar funnels. I know there are other specific apps out there to generate evergreen webinars, but you can do it even inside Systeme.io. Now, payment processors. In Clickfunnels, to manage your payment processor, you have this Payments AI, where you can connect different payment processors. And as you can see, you can connect PayPal, you can connect Stripe, and I don't know what other payment processor you can connect. I only see here that with this Pro plan you can connect 3 payment gateways, and with this Funnel Hacker plan you can connect 9 payment gateways. So I think here you can connect whatever you need to sell your products in every part of the world. About Systeme.io, if I go here in my settings and I go to payment gateways, as you can see, you can connect Stripe, PayPal, Mercado Pago, Razorpay and Flutterwave. These are the 2 most famous, obviously, but sometimes in some parts of the world you may need some different kind of payment processor. You have 5 here at the moment. In Clickfunnels you can go up to 9 payment processors. So Even if I don't know which ones you can insert, I give my point to ClickFunnels in this case, because if you need them, you have more options in this case. Let's go now to the email marketing section. In both softwares you can manage quite well email marketing. Let me open this workflow inside Clickfunnels 2.0 as an example. And as you can see here, I have my workflow with triggers, with conditions, with anything I can insert here, send an email, send a sequence of emails. This is coming soon, is not active. Conditional split path, split test, delay, trigger another workflow, end path, conditional goal. Again, it's coming soon. Tag contact, add note, create task, coming soon. Notify, create affiliate, coming soon. Other third-party integration, webhook, and enroll in courses. In this video, I will not explain how you build a workflow, an email workflow. Anyway, it's quite complete, this part of Clickfunnels 2.0. I don't have any data about deliverability of these emails, but I'm sure there will be no problem. In Systeme.io, you need to go here. You have both newsletters and campaigns, and then you have automations. These are separated in this case, but even here in ClickFunnels, you have workflows and you have broadcasts and email templates. The same of broadcasts here are newsletters and campaigns, and automation, you have workflows, exactly as you have here. Again, even here you can generate your workflow. Let's give it a name, test. Okay, let me open it up. And you have more or less the same interface. You need to create a trigger. In this case, it can be an action, a decision, or a delay. Let's say an action. You need to choose an action. You have apply a tag, remove a tag, enroll in a course, subscribe to campaign, unsubscribe from campaign, send webhook, send email to specific address. You can choose whatever you want here. Let me choose enroll in a course. For example, you can select a course with full access or drip content. Now you can add a decision and create a filter. It's the same thing you do here in ClickFunnels. This is a split condition. It's the same thing of this one. As you can see, slightly different the interface, but you can do more or less the same things. I don't know which one has more options in this case, but I will give the point to both equally, because I don't think you will see many differences between one or the other. Maybe ClickFunnels is slightly better in this case, because as you can see here, you will have third-party integrations. So I don't know how it will evolve. Maybe slightly better ClickFunnels in this case, but again, Systeme.io has all you need to manage a good email campaign and email workflow, so I can't see any problem. And an important thing, usually when you do email marketing, you need to have your professional domain, so it's better not to use, for example, a Gmail account to send emails, but I know that in Systeme.io they found a way to let you use even your Gmail account and maintaining a very good deliverability. So this is something special about Systeme.io. I don't know if you can do it with ClickFunnels. Anyway, my point goes to both tools in this case. Now let's talk about products. Here in ClickFunnels you have this products section where you can insert your global products, and these are products you can use them in any funnel, in any page, as you can see: name, description, image, pricing, inventory, purchase actions, variants, and so on. Quite easy to manage. You can build collections, discounts, and inventory. You can assign tags to your products. Here in Systeme, you need to go here, physical products. For example, you can create your product. Let's call it again test. You can choose your VAT percentage. Clicking on save, you can give attributes to your products. Okay, so in this case, if I understand well, you can choose by yourself what kind of information to insert in every product. For example, I used this test one, but maybe it can be price. This is an attribute, price, and then you choose to give 10 as a value. So here you have something static, but you can do the same thing here inside this product section in Systeme.io. Add a new option. You can generate option value and insert whatever you want. You can insert other attributes for example, size, color, and so on. So you build your product list inside Systeme.io by choosing all the attributes you want to give a single product. In both platforms you can do more or less the same thing. I will say in this case the ClickFunnels one is slightly more specific and more intuitive, even for me that never inserted a product. Here I know exactly what I need to do. Here is slightly more confusing. So in this case, for the products section, I will give my point to ClickFunnels 2.0. Now the courses section in ClickFunnels 2.0 is here under Site and Funnels. Courses, as you can see, I have a test course here, and this is my course management page where you can insert your modules, your lessons in the single modules. You can manage the settings, you can manage enrollments. In this case, you can, if I go inside this lesson 1, for example, you can choose the path, the title, the thumbnail, the audio settings, video settings, all the URLs. And if I click here in this section, I can edit content, and I can edit any part of this lesson. I can edit the content, in this case just the content, so adding all what I want. And if I want to edit the template, I can do it by clicking here on edit template, where I can choose the look of my page, the template I want to use in any specific part. In Systeme.io I have this courses section. Here again I have a test course. In this case I have my lessons, more or less the same. If I go here on the edit module page, I can choose some settings by choosing on what funnel I want to insert this course, for example. And here in the lesson I can edit the content. Again, I can build my page the way I want. So I don't see many differences between the two ways of generating courses here. The only thing I will say here in the course setting, I think you have in Systeme.io you have way less ways to configure your template, your course template. For example, in this case, I choose. Let me show you very quickly a light blue theme, and I have a very few options to configure my color scheme here and layout. I'm not talking about this page. Here you can configure what you want, but I'm talking about this part. So this headline and this menu, you don't have many options. You don't have options at all. So you only can choose the color. While in ClickFunnels, you can even edit your heading, you can edit any single part of your course. So in this case, I will give my point to ClickFunnels for this specific reason. But as far as the management of your course, the generation of your course, and what you can insert, what you can do, you can easily do it with Systeme.io, and in Systeme.io you also can upload your videos. You have unlimited storage, so you can upload your videos here, while in ClickFunnels I don't think you can do it. Let me check here in Edit Content. I want to see if I add, for example, a full page section, one column. I want to insert a video. Okay, let me see what kind of settings I have. I can only insert a video URL. So in this case, I'm changing my idea because this is something I find important. With ClickFunnels 2.0, you need to have your videos hosted on a third-party site, so YouTube, Vimeo, or other tools like Voomly, Witsia, and so on. You have an HTML5 custom embed, so you need to have your videos outside the platform, while in Systeme.io you can upload your videos here. So you don't have any other tools. So I'm changing my idea. I wasn't considering this part, and my point goes for this to Systeme.io. Now let's talk about membership and communities. I go straight to giving my point to Systeme.io because here you have your communities and you can generate your community here. It's easy to do it, and it's a really simple community, nothing special. It's something like a forum, for example, but you can do it. While in ClickFunnels, I know this is a feature that will come in next month, but it's not here. So as of today, I need to give my point for the community part and the membership part to Systeme.io, because here you can already today generate and manage your community with members, with different topics, and so on. And the same thing happens for the affiliate system, because in Systeme.io, as you can see, you have my affiliate program here. So let's say you build a course, an online course, you want to sell it, and you want to have some affiliates then that promote the course for you. You can do it inside Systeme.io. You have all this part, the affiliate program dashboard, where you can manage your settings, your percentages, you want to pay your affiliates, and so on. You will have here your list of affiliates, and you can manage all this part. While in ClickFunnels, I know this is a feature that will come in the second phase of the ClickFunnels 2.0, but I don't know when, and as of today, it's not here. So if you need something today to use, Again, my point goes to Systeme.io. So this is my summary, and I want to make clear that these are only my opinions. Maybe you don't agree with me on some parts of this comparison. Anyway, for the price, I give my point to Systeme.io. For the futures, the number of futures you can have today, to Systeme.io. The ease of use for both platforms, Funnel Builder to Systeme.io. I think it's easier to manage. Page Editor to Clickfunnels 2.0 because it has many more options. The webinar funnels as of today to Systeme.io. I can't find them in Clickfunnels 2.0. Payment processor, you have more options if you have the highest plan on Clickfunnels 2.0. Email marketing, my point to both platforms. Products, you have an easy management in Clickfunnels 2.0. For courses, my point goes to Systeme.io because you can upload your videos directly on the platform. Community and affiliate system to Systeme.io because the future is there, you can use it, while in Clickfunnels 2.0 is still not there. Saying that, again, I think that if you are starting out, if you are not very familiar with this kind of tools, with funnels, with building email lists and so on, you want to choose Systeme.io. It's easy to use, you can start for free, so this is a big plus. So when to choose Clickfunnels 2.0? Because we all know that it's the most famous funnel builder platform. I think the real added value in Clickfunnels 2.0 is all the community, all the experience and all the things you can learn from Russell Brunson and all the learning you can have inside Clickfunnels 2.0 and inside all that community. This is why I highly suggest you to start from Systeme.io, but at the same time participate to the funnel challenge in Clickfunnels 2.0 because you will learn many things. You will learn how to build a funnel, why you need it, what kind of funnels you need to use, and you can learn as much as you can. You can try Clickfunnels 2.0 and then you can apply the same things in Systeme.io, even if the platform is slightly different, but as you can see, it's really easy to use. Again, you can find my links to both platforms here below my video in the description. With the Systeme you can start for free and you will always have this free plan, so you can try to use it, learn to use it. With Clickfunnels 2.0 I think you can still participate to the funnel challenge even if it's finished. You can watch the replays, you can become a VIP, you can try the platform for 30 days I think, and then you can decide if you like Clickfunnels 2.0 more than Systeme.io. It's been a long video, so thank you very much for being here. You can also find the link to both my reviews about Clickfunnels 2.0 and Systeme.io, so you can watch them. If you want, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much again and see you soon in another video.